Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. After 1 week of this misfortune happened, once again I went to where Abishek lives. Après une semaine qui sa malheur arrivé, encore une fois mon zuen Abishek goodly resté. But this time it was not at Angel's house, but in fact at Abishek's house. I was very afraid because it was my first time going to an stranger's place, even though now he is no more a stranger to me. Mais cette fois-là, li parti good angel sur lakaz, mais ofet good Abishek sur lakaz. C'est la première fois qu'il m'a typé al good un étranger sur lakaz, good aster, li nepli un étranger pour moi. I had worn my blue dress, which I had worn on the first day I met Abishek, but this time I worn it to impress my mother-in-law. Meté met mon robe couleur bleue, seki meté pour la première fois. Moti zuen Abishek, mais cette fois-là, meté pour impression mon futur belle-mère. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.